If you're interested in this world of emotional work, working on yourself, and you found something you want to change, right? Like, I don't feel safe or comfortable with money, and I want to feel safe and comfortable with money. And I've been trying to do that, and it's not working. This is a common theme, and there's a very common misunderstanding as to why this often just ends up spinning your wheels, even though you have an insight. Like, I know I found I don't feel safe with money, so shouldn't I be able to just change that? One of the main reasons that change isn't happening, why you're not actually moving from feeling unsafe to safe, is because you're trying to work on this broad, generalized concept of a belief statement of, I don't feel safe with money, right? And it may be great inner work that you've done to be able to kind of look at your life and find the pattern and identify, oh, there it is. I don't feel safe with money. But the important thing to remember with this type of work is that your body, your nervous system, the way this stuff got wired into you, you didn't get wired in an English language phrase that, oh, I guess I don't feel safe with money. Right? Some specific things happened in your life. Maybe you have conscious access to those memories, maybe some you don't. But something happened. You saw your parents arguing about money, your parents or teachers made a statement to you about, oh, you better save that because money's hard to come by, whatever it might be. In that moment, the words they said, the way that went into your brain and your body went, ooh, wait, I didn't know that. Oh, I guess I better hold on. Or that's scary. I need to do whatever I can to save this money or spend it as fast as possible. That moment, right? The details of that moment, your body's response, your emotional reaction to what they said or what you saw, that's the moment it got wired. Right? So the mistake is not working through that specific event or the sensations in your body when you think about money or when you think about those memories. And instead, you're just trying to work on the idea, the concept of feeling more safe with money. Right? So perhaps you've discovered, I don't feel safe, and now you're like, okay, let me do a bunch of EFT tapping videos on, I feel more safe with money. I feel more safe with money. I'm trying to tell myself that in my mind. I'm trying to visualize being more safe with money. That's not really going to hit those memories and what your body downloaded. So instead, what I suggest exploring is seeing what comes up in terms of your memories, and rather than reducing them down to statements, go into that moment in whatever amount feels safe and go, oh yeah, my mom said that to me. Right? Let the words come in. Notice how your body's responding. Notice what's happening. Notice if there's any thoughts that you might recall from that young person you were that felt like, oh wow, this is what's going on, and now as an adult you don't feel safe with money. You may be a child, you may not, but you're looking for the details and you're mining the gold out of that experience as it actually happened, rather than the tricks our mind play, which is, well, let me take all the experiences and just reduce it down to this statement, because once I get the core belief, it should all be good, right? No, and at least in clinical EFT, which I'm certified in, the research is showing that you get far superior results by working through the specific event rather than a general idea. So whether you use tapping or you use other techniques, and you can explore my playlist called Fundamentals of Inner Work for some ideas of how to be present and how to safely engage with these memories. Explore whatever details, whatever memories, even just a sensation in your body. Right? I think about money, my shoulders tighten up. Spend time with your shoulders, right? Spend time feeling into your body and the reactions, and explore that route more than you just try to tap away, money fear or these generalized anxieties around money. Try that. Let me know how it goes. I look forward to seeing you next time.